Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make black currant ice cream with very simple and 3 basic ingredients at your home: grapes, milk and sugar. First we will chop the grapes and add it into the pan and cook until the mixture gets thickness. Now add sugar and stir it continuously. Once it's done, we will keep it aside for cooling. Now in another pan we will take milk and we'll boil it on medium flame. We'll add some sugar. We'll take 2 spoons of wheat flour, add milk to it and mix it with boiled milk. Now we will wait for the milk to cool down a little bit. Now here you can take your mixer, blender or anything. Here I am using my smoothie maker. I'll add both the ingredients into the jar and will blend it. Now we will pour the mixture in the mold. We will also add some grape paste that we prepared earlier. We'll mix it properly and now we will keep it aside in the fridge for about 8 to 10 hours to cool down. And our black currant ice cream is ready. Scoop out the ice cream and put it in your favorite glass. You can also add some toppings to it and your ice cream is ready. Following the same procedure and recipe, you can make any ice cream at home. For more easy and delicious recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.